about a week ago, my father and I were walking through Home Depot, just trying to check out all of the last minute sales before everything just went back to normal pricing. And that's when we came across the toolbox section. And I've been wanting a new toolbox for a while, but I could not justify the price. I mean, if you look around, most of them are around $1,000. You might be able to find some at, say, $800, maybe even $700 if they're on sale. But I did not want to spend that money. So as we walked up to this section, well, you can see the toolbox behind me. They had a really nice little area with this cool little toolbox on it. Normally it was for, I think, $9.98, say $1,000, and it was marked down on sale to, I believe it was $7.98 or $800. Well, $800 was still a little bit higher than I wanted to spend. And then we realized something. Wait a minute, this box has a big dent in it. It looks almost like it was hit by, say, a forklift. It has some sticky residue here. On the top of it, it has some deep scratches in it. I mean, wait a minute. I bet this was a display model. Sometimes display models and ones that are a little bit dented, you can get discounts on. So my father happened to walk up to one of the salesmen and say, "Hey, would you be willing to discount this so that we can take it off your hands?" So he said, "Let me call a manager and see what he would say." As we're sitting there and discussing this back and forth, I'm looking at my dad going, "I don't know what I'd pay for this. I mean, it's going to take a little bit of work to fix. I believe I can still fix it though." And I'm opening the drawers and everything else seems like it's working right. Even the dented drawer still closes nicely. It does interfere a little bit with the drawer above it. So again, going to take a little bit of work to fix, but I believe I can fix this without too much effort. So I told him, "Hey, I think I'd probably be willing to pay about $400, thinking that the manager wouldn't go below $500 or $600. And as I said that, the manager happens to walk up behind us and goes, "Did I hear somebody say you'll take $400 for it?" So I looked at him and said, "Yes, I will if you sell it to me right now." And he goes, "Deal." So I have a brand new toolbox, needs a little bit of work. And I found out a great little way that you can get discounts. So I got this for $400. Retail, it's usually $1,000. So I got a 60% off deal because it has a couple scratches and a dent that I should be able to fix. So whenever you're in Home Depot or even Lowe's, go right after the sales or right as the sales are about to just stop. There's usually an easy way. You can look somewhere on the pricing. A lot of times it'll say, it ends at a certain date. Go back right at that date. Sometimes you can find these display models or ones that are damaged a little bit and get them at a major discount. So with that little tip, I hope that you can go out to these stores and find a great deal.